In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a test server in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So, to join a test server, basically, if you don't know what that does, it's actually a server that gets open just before different new updates that are dropping, and then in there you can basically get all the seeds you want. You can use the admin command up here, and you can also get infinity money, and basically some crazy stuff is gonna go on that server. So, once it actually gets open, make sure you know how to join it. So stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what you simply have to do in this game, you actually don't have to type anything into chat, so you can't do like /test or something, because in some games that does work. However, over here, what you're gonna have to do is I recommend join their Discord server. So if you join Grow Garden's Discord server, once the test server opens, you will get a notification and they will basically send you in a link which you can click, and then you'll be directed over here to an experience similar to like Grow a Garden. You'll be able to press play over here, and then you'll be able to basically start playing. Now, as you can see, right now, for Saturday, May 3rd, the Animals update is basically scheduled, and I'm pretty sure that just before that, you'll be able to join the test server to actually test these things out. Now, over here, let me actually show you something as well. So, what you can do is just open up Roblox, click on Grow a Garden in case you're not in the Discord server, in case it's full. You want to search for Grow a Garden. Once you're in the experience, click on Buy the Garden game. So, basically, the creators of this Grow a Garden game. And in here, you can see you have About, Events, Store Affiliates, etc. And then when you go to About section, over here you can see Experiences. Now, over here, once the test server is opened, you'll see there will be two experiences. So one will be the usual Grow a Garden game, and then the second one will be the test server, which is going to be called basically like dev server or something like that. And if you click on that, you'll then be able to basically just join the game by clicking this play button over here, which usually pops up. So that's how you essentially join the test server in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So that's the only way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.